In this video I will tell you about most useful phrases that you can use in daily conversations. Thanks so much for driving me home. I have a question for the teacher. Thanks so much for cooking lunch. I really appreciate it. I am a social science teacher. Excuse me, do you know what time it is? I'm sorry for being so late. Can you repeat that? I speak a little English. I don't know the answer. My name is Angelina and I'm learning English. I understand your accent. I'm sorry, I don't understand. We could have dinner at 6 and then go to a movie. How does that sound? That sounds fantastic. I don't speak any English. I speak a little English. I understand the question. I know the answer. I don't understand the exercise. Ask your teacher to help you. Is he from England? I think so. Are they brothers? I don't think so. Maybe, I'm not sure. Could you please repeat that? How do you say that in English? Can you speak a little louder? I didn't hear you. Are they friends? I think so. Are they sisters? Maybe. I'm sorry, could you please talk slower? Thank you. That helps a lot. Are they married? I think so. Are they siblings? I don't think so. Excuse me, I have a question. Could you repeat that? I don't understand. Pardon? What did you say? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? I'm sorry. I can't help you. Excuse me, can you help me? Pardon? I don't understand. I have a question for my teacher. Could you repeat that? I don't understand the exercise. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. Please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.